Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, by using the rule that LCM is equal to product of two numbers divided by HCF, find LCM of 26 and 442. We first need to find out HCF of 26 and 442. 26 can be written as 2 into 13 and 442 can be written as 2 into 13 into 17. Therefore, the HCF comes out to be 2 into 13, that is 26. Now, using the rule given in the question, we get LCM as product of the two numbers, that is 26 into 442 divided by HCF, that is 26. So, the LCM comes out to be 442. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, calculate the HCF and LCM of 0.6, 0.9, 1.5, 1.2 and 3. The HCF of 0.6, 0.9, 1.2, 1.5 and 3 can be found out by first factorizing the terms. 0.6 can be written as 0.1 into 2 into 3. 0.9 can be written as 0.1 into 3 square. 1.2 can be written as 0.1 into 2 square into 3. 1.5 can be written as 0.1 into 3 into 5, and 3 can be written as 0.1 into 3 into 2 into 5. Therefore, the HCF, that is the highest common factor, comes out to be 0.1 into 3, that is 0.3, and LCM, that is the lowest common multiple, comes out to be 0.1 into 2 square into 3 square into 5, that is 18. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, find the HCF and LCM of 5 by 16, 3 by 4 and 7 by 15. We know that HCF of fractions like A by B, C by D and E by F is HCF of A, C and E divided by LCM of B, D and F, and similarly LCM of A by B, C by D and E by F is LCM of A, C and E divided by HCF of B, D and F. Concept, we get the HCF of 5 by 16, 3 by 4 and 7 by 15 as HCF of 5, 3 and 7 divided by LCM of 16, 4 and 15, which comes out to be 1 upon 15 into 16, that is 1 by 240. The LCM of 5 by 16, 3 by 4 and 7 by 15 comes out to be LCM of 5, 3 and 7 divided by HCF of 16, 4 and 15, that is 105 by 1, that is 105. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is convert under root 27 to a mixed surd. Under root of 27 can be written as under root of 9 into 3, that is under root of 9 into under root of 3, 9 being a perfect square gives root 9 as 3, so the final result is 3 root 3. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is convert 2 root 8 to a pure surd. 2 root 8 can be written as under root of 2 square into under root of 8, that is under root of 4 into 8, that is under root of 32. This is the required solution. Thank you.